The Flypub assay measures disinhibited behaviors under the influence of alcohol, thereby facilitating the mechanistic study of alcohol use disorder.
Alcohol is one of the most readily available and widely abused drugs in the world. The neurobiological mechanism underlying alcohol use disorder, however, is incompletely understood. The fruit fly, Drosophila melanogaster, has been extensively used to study ethanol's effects on euphoria, locomotion, disinhibition, and sedation. It is also used to study its long-lasting changes in behavior relevant to addiction such as tolerance, sensitization, and ethanol seeking.
Many studies in Drosophila and other animal models focus on the locomotor activating effects of ethanol. A distinct effect of ethanol is behavioral disinhibition. However, its study is rather underrepresented. To address this key issue, we developed the Flypub assay to measure disinhibited behavior under the influence of ethanol.
To assemble the Flypub chamber, take a round bottle and cut off its bottom portion at the 25 milliliter mark with a razor blade. Create a hole at the 50 milliliter mark using a hot soldering iron. This is the access point where flies will be introduced. Place a round mesh, 54 millimeters in diameter, at the 75 milliliter mark, and secure it using hot glue. Position a clear plastic sheet, 70 millimeters in diameter, at the open bottom end, and secure it using hot glue. To ensure that the plastic round is firmly attached to the bottom, pressure down using weight.